Kana ma'am, hanay. Ago alam mo na sir ma'am. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, tuglo mo nga to ma'am. Sir, just point at the mountain, sir. Okay, na, nice. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Wait lang ma'am ha. Ma'am, kopti ni siya ma'am. Mato ko sa ubos. Ah. Okay. Ma'am, hold sa bukid, ma'am. Sir, can you hold the bukid? And then I want you to have an eye contact with ma'am. Okay. One, two, three. Ma'am, pwede. Sir, can you have us kiss? Okay, 1, 2, 3, nice. Okay. Iniwan tila ko paano ma. Then sir, can you while this time sir you kiss your wife and then the bouquet will be holding like this. You will be raising the bouquet like this.
Yeah, I'll agree with that. No, you can hold it.
Si sir. Like that. Then kiss it ma'am. Nice. Yay. Okay. Ritas ginagit ka ron. Wait lang mama. Ma'am, okay ra ba mo ma'am kung mo naog ta dito ma'am? Kamunduhan ni sir, okay ra mo?
Naog dito?
Oo. Dili man na sa dangog ma'am, pero adto lang ta madapita ma'am ay. Kay pero mas delikado to kay slope. Dia patag ra man dia ma'am. Wait lang ma'am ha. Dili ra ma'am. Sige ma'am, alain ta lang mo ma'am, tagsa inaog ta mo ato tagsa.